The story of the Jaguar F-Type R begins with a vision to create a machine that does not simply travel from one point to another, but instead turns every second of the journey into an unforgettable emotional experience. When you press the start button of the F-Type R, it is not just a car that wakes up. It is a beast, a presence, a personality, and a reminder that raw performance and pure elegance can live together in a way that touches your heart. Today's video takes you deep into the world of this incredible British sports car, crafted with soul, sculpted with desire, and engineered with the kind of passion that makes it more than a vehicle, it becomes a statement. From its thunderous 5.0-liter V8 engine to its lightweight aluminum body, from its signature exhaust note to its finely tuned aerodynamics, we are about to explore everything that makes the Jaguar F-Type R a legend. So sit back, relax, and get ready, because this journey is going to take you through power, beauty, heritage, craftsmanship, and the spirit that defines Jaguar as a brand. This script is designed to give your viewers a 15 to 17-minute immersive experience, perfect for a deep and emotional voiceover in Urdu, exactly the way your channel delivers its content. The heritage of a legend. Behind the Jaguar F-Type R exists a long history, a heritage that goes back to some of the most iconic sports cars ever created. Jaguar has always been a brand that believed in emotion over numbers, soul over statistics, and character over competition. The F-Type R carries the DNA of the Jaguar E-Type, a car once called the most beautiful automobile ever made. When Jaguar designed the F-Type R, they did not simply attempt to create a modern sports car, they wanted to build something that could continue the legacy of beauty, passion, and excitement that the E-Type introduced to the world. This heritage is not just visual, it is spiritual. From the long hood to the muscular rear end, from the aggressive stance to the signature curves, the F-Type R reflects decades of craftsmanship and engineering evolution. Every part of this car is shaped by history, refined by innovation, and perfected with intention. It is a modern beast wearing the soul of a classic, and that's what makes it so emotionally powerful. Design and exterior beauty. When you see the Jaguar F-Type R for the first time, you don't just look at it, you feel it. The design of this car is a visual symphony, a blend of elegance and aggression that commands attention from every angle. The front fascia is sharp and purposeful, with sleek LED headlights that resemble the eyes of a predator ready to strike. The long, sculpted hood flows back like a piece of artwork, hiding beneath it one of the most powerful engines Jaguar has ever created. The signature bold grille carries the Jaguar emblem with pride, giving the car a face that instantly communicates dominance. The aerodynamic lines travel smoothly along the body, guiding airflow with precision to reduce drag and increase stability. At the rear, the quad exhaust setup sits beneath a muscular bumper, completing the look with a sense of raw power. The taillights stretch out like claws, inspired by big cats, and give the F-Type R a signature identity at night. Whether parked or moving, the car radiates presence. It is a machine that forces people to stop, stare, and admire what true automotive beauty looks like. Interior, luxury with purpose. Step inside the Jaguar F-Type R and the world around you immediately transforms. This is not just an interior, it is an environment built for focus, comfort, and emotion. Jaguar has created a cockpit designed around the driver, with every control placed intelligently to enhance the driving experience. The dashboard curves around you in a smooth, fluid shape, creating a sense of being wrapped inside a high-performance machine. High-quality leather covers the seats, stitched with precision and shaped to support the driver during high-speed maneuvers. The cabin uses premium materials like brushed aluminum, soft-touch surfaces, and beautifully integrated technology. Even the air vents feel like part of the car's personality, rising from the dashboard in a deliberate, elegant motion. The infotainment system is modern and responsive, offering navigation, entertainment, and connectivity with simple ease. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance info, reminding you of the power resting under your right foot. But what truly defines the interior is the emotional feel, a mix of luxury and adrenaline that encourages you to drive, explore, and push your limits. Engine and performance, the heart of the beast. Now we arrive at the source of the F-Type R's soul, its engine. Under the hood is a hand-built 5.0-liter supercharged V8 that produces a breathtaking 575 horsepower and a massive 700 Nm of torque. This engine is not only powerful, it is expressive. The moment it comes to life, the exhaust note roars through the air like a thunderstorm, giving you chills and announcing the arrival of something extraordinary. The car accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 3.5 seconds, placing it firmly among the world's high-performance sports machines. The throttle response is instant, sharp, and addictive. Power delivery is smooth yet explosive, making every push of the accelerator feel like launching off a runway. The F-Type R uses an intelligent all-wheel drive system that ensures grip, stability, and confidence in every condition. Jaguar's engineering team tuned the suspension to balance comfort with athleticism, allowing the car to glide over roads while remaining responsive in corners. Whether you drive it on highways, twisty mountain roads, or even wet surfaces, the F-Type R feels controlled, confident, and ready to unleash its strength at any moment. Handling, control, and driving feel. The Jaguar F-Type R is more than just straight-line speed. It is a perfectly controlled dance between power and handling. The electric power steering is precise, giving you immediate feedback from the tires. Every turn feels organic and connected, allowing you to carve corners with confidence. Jaguar's adaptive dynamics system constantly monitors the road surface, your driving style, and vehicle movement, adjusting the suspension for the best performance. This gives the F-Type R a unique dual nature, comfortable when cruising, and sharp when pushed. The lightweight aluminum body plays a huge role in making the car agile and responsive. The braking system, equipped with high-performance calipers, provides exceptional stopping power, allowing the driver to push hard without losing control. With advanced traction control and stability systems, the F-Type R makes even aggressive driving feel safe and enjoyable. It is a car that rewards skill, invites confidence, and keeps you connected to the road with a sense of thrill. Technology and features. The F-Type R blends modern technology with classic driving emotion. The cabin features a high-resolution infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium Meridian sound technology that delivers crystal-clear audio for an immersive experience. The instrument cluster is fully digital, customizable, and designed to keep your essential performance data in front of your eyes. The adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, parking sensors, and 360-degree camera system enhance daily usability. The automatic pop-out door handles maintain aerodynamics while giving the exterior a clean, modern look. Drive mode selection allows you to customize the engine response, suspension settings, steering weight, and gear shifts to match your mood, whether you want comfort, sport, or maximum performance. This combination of luxury, convenience, and performance technology makes the F-Type R feel truly modern without losing the emotional essence of a classic sports car. Sound and exhaust, the voice of the F-Type. One of the most iconic aspects of the Jaguar F-Type R is its sound. Few cars on the planet can match the pure emotional drama produced by its active sports exhaust system. At low speeds, the exhaust growls with a deep, intimidating tone that sends vibrations through the cabin. As you accelerate, the roar rises into a symphony of power, echoing through streets and tunnels with unmatched presence. On downshifts, the exhaust crackles and pops like fireworks, creating a soundtrack that makes every drive feel like a cinematic moment. Jaguar has tuned this system so beautifully that many drivers consider it one of the best-sounding V8 engines ever produced. It is not noise, it is music for car lovers, a voice that expresses the car's personality, aggression, and emotion. Price and value. The Jaguar F-Type R is a premium sports car, and its price reflects its status. Depending on market and region, its cost places it among competitors like the Porsche 911, Mercedes-AMG GT, and Audi R8. But the value of the F-Type R goes beyond numbers. It is for those who want a unique experience, a car that stands out in a world filled with predictable choices. The F-Type R offers handcrafted performance, emotional sound, stunning design, and pure driving pleasure, something that feels personal, rare, and expressive. It is not just a machine, it is an experience you own. Ending, emotional closure. The Jaguar F-Type R is not merely a car. It is passion shaped into metal. It is speed sculpted into art. It is emotion expressed through engineering. Every curve tells a story, every rev of the engine expresses desire, and every drive becomes a memory. This machine is a reminder that life is not just about reaching destinations. It is about how those moments in between make you feel. Jaguar created the F-Type R for those who want their hearts to race, their spirits to rise, and their journeys to turn into something unforgettable. If you love beauty, sound, speed, craftsmanship, and pure soul in a car, then the Jaguar F-Type R is not just a choice, it is a connection.